The world has changed dramatically, but one thing remains the same: the drive to make money. As a teenager, you may think that your options for making money are limited, but with the advancements in technology, there are now more ways than ever to turn your passion into a lucrative source of income. Whether you are a creative, a tech-savvy individual, or just someone looking to earn some extra cash, we've got you covered. From freelance writing to selling digital products, the possibilities are endless. So sit back and prepare to be inspired as we explore the most lucrative ways to make money as a teenager in 2023. Become an online creator. You can make money off of your charisma and eloquence if you utilize it to do anything from having your book report extended to being elected class president. Create a fan base by publishing material on your website or social networking sites like YouTube, Twitch, Instagram, and TikTok. You could upload videos on how to take better care of your skin, how to play a video game, or how to construct anything from scratch, and you could potentially monetize your channel. For some additional spending money, check out the sponsored posts of your favorite online artists. After you have established a dedicated fan base, you can start making money from your name recognition by selling items. Sell stock photos. Have you ever wished you could convert your hobby of photography into a paying business? Selling stock pictures is a thriving business in 2023. The proliferation of digital media has resulted in a constant need for fresh, high-quality visual content, particularly for usage in online media such as websites, blogs, and social media. This is what they need, and you can provide it to them. Selling stock images is a great way to get exposure to your work and earn some extra cash. Can you picture being compensated each time one of your images is downloaded? It's time to whip out the camera and start shooting. There is a need for every photograph you can think of, from landscapes to portraits to abstracts, and you can be well on your way to turning your hobby into a lucrative career with just a little bit of hard work. Manage social media accounts. The management of social media accounts is a great opportunity for teenagers to earn money independently, particularly if they are interested in pursuing a career in marketing. Even while you probably won't be hired by a large corporation, you can find employment with smaller companies or even individuals. For those who already have a sizable online following, this role is a perfect opportunity to put their skills to use and get exposure. Nonetheless, you need to show some maturity. Businesses are aware that young people are proficient at using social media, but they also realize that a few poor decisions on their part might ruin the company's brand. Video editing. Great quality, compelling videos are in high demand by corporations in 2023, and their creators can command premium rates. Editing videos remotely is a growing field with plenty of potential for income and flexibility. Video editing services are in great demand since businesses of all sizes use them to create content for their websites, social media pages, and even TV ads. Creating and editing videos for sharing on social media like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, etc. However, you can also find employment in other areas of video editing, such as online films for businesses or assisting wedding photographers. This might be a great side hustle if you love working with video. You don't need to have any prior experience. Stunning films that will amaze customers and bring in cash are simple to produce with the correct gear and some experience under your belt. Take online surveys. In light of the advancement of the internet and other forms of digital communication, businesses are more interested in customer feedback. So that's where you come in. You can earn money by giving your opinion on many topics by filling out online surveys. And here's the greatest part: there are no prerequisites or specialized knowledge required. A computer and access to the internet are all that are required. Surveys are convenient since they can be done on a mobile device, tablet, or computer at any time. In that case, why not join a survey panel right now and be paid for your thoughts? You can make even more money by inviting your friends and family to join. Start a blog. You may be wondering, isn't blogging for elderly people? I get it. Kindly hear me out. Blogging can be started as a hobby and eventually become a full-time profession. The greatest aspect is that you can begin at any age. You can create a blog on anything, but it's best to focus on a subject that interests you, such as style, sports, health, your life, etc. Articles, podcasts, and videos, among other types of materials, must be added often to ensure the site's success. Google AdSense and other affiliate network that provide services linked to your site can help you monetize it in the long run. You may get almost any kind of service or technical support you would need online, and usually at no cost at all. Design websites and online stores. Nowadays, it's impossible to run a successful company without a website and some kind of online shop. There is a growing market for polished, intuitive websites, and you can get it on the action. A graphic design or web design career can be started from the comfort of one's own home if one has a knack for digital art and/or programming. Teens with web development expertise can assist local companies to go digital by designing and developing websites, creating logos and flyers, and constructing online marketplaces. Teens with a passion for gaming could do well to investigate the app or online game creation industry as a source of startup capital. Other opportunities for kids with an interest in computers include providing tech assistance, data entry, technological tutoring, and transcribing services. There are many opportunities to generate money as a web or e-commerce designer, regardless of your level of experience as a graphic designer. There is plenty of opportunity from making unique designs for customers to using existing templates to build online stores. What's even better? Do everything without leaving your house. You can make money doing what you love if you have the necessary resources and a little creativity. Don't procrastinate any longer. It's time to take charge of your financial future by delving into the field of web design. If you have the chops and the will, you can make it big in the world of e-commerce. Start a pet care business. There is a rising need for high-quality services in the pet care business, particularly among pet owners who are too busy to provide for their animals themselves. Teens can convert their passion for animals into a successful career by opening a pet care service. You are of legal age to launch a pet care service for others as a teenager. Your options for making money off of caring for other people's dogs include dog walking and pet sitting. Similar to the success of childcare or local services, this venture can grow thanks to word of mouth. In addition to offering your services, you may want to think about opening an online shop to sell things like pet snacks, collars, and dog sweaters. Disseminate your business card in the dog park in your area to reach the local pet owners. Tutoring. It doesn't matter whether you're a math genius, a scientific guru, a historic nerd, or a music nerd. You can utilize your skills to assist people and get paid. The best thing is, it's something you can do easily while staying in your pajamas at home. You have the makings of a great teacher if you can keep your cool and pay attention to the smallest of details. You may either teach people one-on-one in person, or you can open an online business and offer things like do-it-yourself kits, templates, and even virtual courses. Your online shop may also serve as a booking system for in-person appointments. Request that your pupils and their parents post an online evaluation so that you can expand your teaching company via word of mouth. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is a popular way for many individuals to bring in an income, and it can be used for a variety of purposes, including the creations of website copy, advertising, blog entries, and other types of writings. There will be moments when your name appears on the work. On the other hand, there are occasions when you will ghostwrite, which implies that the writing will be attributed to someone else or that your name will not appear anywhere on the writing at all. You need to be able to write well in addition to having the ability to sell your writing abilities to customers in such a way that they will want to employ you as a freelance writer. Planning for your financial future as a teenager is crucial. The suggestions provided in this video are but a handful of the many rewarding opportunities available to young people in the year 2023. The possibilities are many, whether you are interested in starting an internet company, developing a creative side hustle, or putting your skills and abilities to use in some other ways. Consequently, make use of the tools at your disposal and set yourself on the path to financial stability. The sooner you get started, the more likely you are to finish strong. Thanks for watching.